In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce attachment sizes when sending emails in Outlook. We'll explore a workaround that allows you to manage larger files efficiently using built-in tools. Follow along and you'll never have to worry about oversized email attachments again. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the Microsoft Outlook page. Once you're there, you'll need to sign into your account. Look for the sign in button and give it a click. You'll be directed to a page where you can enter your login details, type in your email address and password, then click next to proceed. After logging in, you'll land on the Outlook dashboard where we'll do most of our work today. In the new Outlook interface, you might notice that reducing the size of attachments directly isn't supported. But don't worry. While there's no direct option within Outlook to compress attachments, Microsoft provides a very effective workaround with OneDrive, its cloud storage service. OneDrive allows you to store and share large files seamlessly, bypassing the size limitations of email attachments. Let's get started by locating the settings icon in the top right corner of your Outlook page. Click on that. And from the drop-down menu, select Account, followed by Storage. This will take you to a page where you can see all your available storage options, including OneDrive. Locate the OneDrive option and click it. This will redirect you to the OneDrive Manage Storage section. Here, you can take advantage of the ample storage space OneDrive offers, letting you upload and share larger files with ease. Once you've clicked on OneDrive, you'll be transferred to a new window. This is where you can drag and drop or select files from your device to upload them directly to OneDrive. With your files securely uploaded, you can then easily share them via Outlook. Instead of attaching these files directly to your email, all you need to do is insert the shared OneDrive link into your email. This not only ensures that your emails remain light and uncluttered, but also improves delivery speed and reliability. So that's the solution for handling large attachments in Outlook efficiently. By using OneDrive, you not only circumvent attachment size restrictions, but also benefit from a more organized and scalable method of sharing files. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you can now confidently manage and share your attachments more effectively. Thank you for watching and be sure to subscribe for more handy tech tips.